How person go get fufu, no get soup? God, provide me something now. Man, no go use this thing swallow with water.
Hello.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Where is God? Oh, continue.
Ha!
Sapa, no fit catch me. I know.
God have mercy upon us.
Who be this one? What's happening here? I beg, anybody where?
Madam, calm down. Now, Billy, now your dog. I see him. They come here, come carry this thing. I was shouting, Billy, stop. See how my voice dog cry.
Drink the pepper soup, join. Even cover pot.
Madam, it's shocking. Everything they possible. Now they talk this one.
Thank God, oh.
Madam, your dog eat your meat. You're thanking God. You know how much you be meat now?
Now the dog self at the cook am for. She don't even too hurry. Can't chop am. We won't even kill herself, oh.
Madam, I don't understand. You won't kill your dog. Why?
We don't feed our children. They feed dog at the same time. Economy harsh.
So, madam, put something inside the food.
Yes, nah.
So why didn't you put it inside water for you to drink and die?
Never. We won't make she eat her last meat before she die.
Hey!
You know we care like that, nah.
Exactly.
At least we won't make she die happy.
Oh, madam, children are in this compound. Why will you cook this kind of thing and cook it outside? What if somebody eat it and die?
Neighbor, calm down now. Thank God say no be person eater. Now still Billy will one kill and eat her.
Jesus.
We must learn a lesson.
Hello, Pastor. Me.
Bless you, my child.
Last week, you gave testimony that you hit someone that ate poison.
Oh, yes, that's correct.
Yes, now my turn. I've eaten one too. So I'm coming to the house, Pastor.
You see, it was actually a forged testimony to uplift the faith of others.
What if it is
still not going to stop the move of God.
Jesus?
I be a man of God.
Which we know you are not. I beg get out.
Mono too much, and they never leave. They have left you behind.
Now so neighbor take die.
Happy enjoy that Rummy video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.